this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect and pair your Xbox One controller on over to your console. And this is rather easy. So you can see the light is blinking here and it's not connecting. So what I want to do is press the sync button on the controller at the same time as I press the sync button on my Xbox One. So you can see it's a solid light right here. If I go on down, it's kind of hard to see because it's black. But if we press the black button here, and we press the black button on the Xbox One controller at the same time, we can put this into the Bluetooth pairing mode at the same time, and eventually these two lights will connect. Now, if it's not connecting, we can try pressing the button a few times a little bit quicker and see if that helps it sync up. And sometimes the controller will be connected even though the Xbox console light is blinking. So mine is connected, it's solid, and it's ready to go. At any point in time, you can connect it via USB cable right here, and then press the Xbox button. And this is probably the quickest way to ensure that's connecting. And then you'll feel a rumble, and it will connect. And once it's connected with the cable, you can disconnect it, and it will be paired in sync now to your Xbox. So it looks like everything's working. If it still doesn't work, completely turn off your Xbox and unplug it from the wall outlet, and then do the same thing with the controller. Turn this off by holding down the Xbox button, or just simply remove the batteries and just do a quick hard reset on everything. So unplug it from the wall outlet and then wait at least 1 minute and then plug it back in and then try to resync it. It seems like this method typically works. So I'm going to go ahead and press the Xbox button and then try to turn this on. Press the sync button on the controller and the Xbox console at the same time, and it should sync up. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.